Hey guys, back again. So in this video I wanted to go over how to count the music, and you can do that by, once you get good enough you can just count it in your head. But I'm going to use the same 2 or 3 songs that we've been using just to show you and kind of stay, that way it doesn't get too confusing. So I'm going to play this current song and I'm going to show you, okay? So this current song, even right now, the eight counts are going, but it's going to start officially right here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you see how the music changed. It's getting ready for the drop now. Okay, and now here comes another 8 count right here. Now listen. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I'm going to go to the song just doing Running Man. I'm going to do 8 Running Man, then 8 T-step, okay? Give or take. Here we go. Alright, ready? I'm going to go a side view so you can see. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 6, and 7, and 8. T-step 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Okay. So there you have it. That is how you count music. So clearly, you know, when I'm dancing, if you watch any of my dance videos, my shuffle videos, I'm not saying it out loud. I'm counting in my head. Every time I hit the ground or the dance floor or the mat, I know that that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I know when the next bar or measure happens, I'm going to maybe switch and do a T-step. And if you guys remember, if you've been following along since Series 1, the universal transition, say after that 8th step, 7, 8, and when that knee comes up, now you can go into a T-step going into the left, and then maybe on that 8 count you can go back and do a Running Man. So 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so that's how it's done. Okay. You just gotta have an ear. You gotta have an ear for this. You gotta listen to the music, listen to the pitch and the change and the layers and the sounds and the harmonies and the beat and everything. Okay, I'm gonna play one more song. All right. So again, I want you to listen to this song carefully. And just watch what I do. Okay, so you see how I did, like, I threw a couple spins in there, a couple slides in different directions, going front and back, doing different things, different little tricks and combos. So once you get comfortable counting the music, then you can, and you know where you're at in place, you know where you're at in regards to the tempo, you can literally control the music, which when you realize this, it's really powerful. Because the music is no longer controlling you in a sense, you are playing with the music at that point. You get to throw in moves that you know you can do coming up in the next, 4 to 8 beats of the song or whatever it may be. So don't be afraid to like experiment and try different moves, and eventually it'll be like second nature, like I mentioned. It'll be like all like instinctual. You'll just do it automatically. You'll just go to the beat and you won't even have to think about counting 1, 2, 3. You're just gonna know in your head, oh, I'm on the 4th count, or I know the 8th count is coming up. I better do a spin, or I better do a glide or a slide out or something like that. Okay. So that is pretty much how you would count music and to find the beat in the song. You just really got to train your ear. Okay, remember, you got to train your ear, and if you need to sit there and listen to the song and listen to it change 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do that until you get comfortable with that. Don't rush either. Play a slower tempo song. That way you can get used to it. Okay, everyone thinks they need to rush and play really fast music. Well, I got really good by taking my time, having patience, and shuffling and dancing to much slower songs. When you master that slower stuff, then you can move up to the faster stuff, okay? You don't ever ride your bike without training wheels, okay? You want to start with training wheels first. And in this regard, not everyone probably use training wheels, I get it, but listen, this is you got to work your way up, okay? So don't rush it. Start slow, move your way up to the faster stuff, okay? That's pretty much it, guys, for today's lesson. So I hope that helped. Let me know in the comments if it did help or not, for those of you that are new. And yeah, we're gonna continue along. So thanks, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.